I'm Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you something we've never had here at the dealership. This is an absolutely stunning 1963 Dodge W300 Power Wagon 4x4. It is absolutely spectacular, and just to put the icing on the cake, sitting in the back of the bed is a 2017 Kawasaki Brute Force 300 that we've deemed the Power Wagon 300 ATV. The ATV was completely customized to match this truck. This is a very, very rare truck. They only made less than 10,000 Dodge W Series Power Wagon trucks in 1963. This particular truck was kind of the king of the hill. It did have the 318 engine. Only 335 of these trucks were produced with a W300 with the 8-cylinder engine. So definitely a super rare truck. It was done to the highest level of a restoration you could possibly do. The body work on this is absolutely stunning. It's laser straight. The paint is really beautiful. It's been painted the original pine green color, which is magnificent in person. Again, this paint job is absolutely stunning in every sense of the word. The car has been complemented with some white accents. It's kind of like a creamy white, like on the side of this mirror here. The bumpers, the front grille, it's got that really cool W300 logo that's also on the front of the ATV as well, which is super cool. Even the wheels have a little bit of the white accents in them. The interior of this truck is like absolutely sitting in a brand new vehicle. Obviously it was done to a higher standard than even when it was new. It's got this beautiful headliner. All of this interior, the dash has been painted same color as the exterior. All the gauges are new. Every single switch in here is new. The door panels bring in that white color into the inside, which looks absolutely gorgeous. The steering wheel has the red cap here, which matches the logos and everything else. The seat was reupholstered. It's got all the correct flooring. Again, sitting in this is like sitting in a brand new vehicle. Even all the glass is new. The engine compartment is highly detailed. It was painted the same color as the exterior. It's home to the original 318 V8 engine that runs absolutely magnificent. If you get an opportunity, you really have to visit our website to see how detailed this truck is from head to toe. It has a 4-speed transmission. Of course, it's 4-wheel drive. It's got a POSI rear end. It's got a 9-foot bed, which has been highly restored. Beautiful, beautiful attention to detail. And the undercarriage of this, again, is absolutely stunning. It's all mirror quality. This is definitely one of the best examples of a Dodge W300 Power Wagon known to exist. And the ATV, once again, just puts the icing on the cake. So for a complete description with tons of photos, check it out on our website at msclassiccars.com. I'm going to go ahead and start it and let you listen how beautiful it runs. Starts right up every time. Absolutely purrs like a kitten.
Bye.